An electric current of 10 amp is passed through a wire. What is the magnetic field created by this current at the distance of 4 centimeters from the wire? So we have a wire. We need to figure out at 4 centimeters away from this wire how much magnetic field we have. We need to use the Amperes Law, which is saying that the magnitude of magnetic field equals to U0 times I divided by 2 pi r, which will be mu naught is 4 pi times 10 to the power of negative 7. So it's 4 pi times 10 to the power of negative 7 times I, which is 10, divided by 2 times pi times r, which is 4 centimeters, but we need to change it to meters. So 4 divided by 100 is going to be 0.04. That's going to be 5 times 10 to the power of negative 5, and the unit for magnetic field strength is Tesla. So that's how we find out the magnitude of magnetic field when we are dealing with a wire. So we use Amperes Law to calculate the magnetic field surrounding a current carrying wire.